Hello and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at pound US dollar, and we're just going to go straight into the analysis. So all the profit reviews for the week in all of the pairs have been covered in a video called the Friday Profit Update. So if you want to check out how well we've done, just go ahead and click on the video below. So let's get into the analysis for this week then. So what we've decided to do in terms of the analysis videos now is obviously we've separated everything apart, so we can just go straight into the analysis now. So in terms of what we have right here, so I'm just going to delete all of this stuff right now. We've found our pullback, a breakthrough, and then a pullback to our key level, and then we've ultimately formed a double top, which is a reversal signal, and that's heading all the way back down to a selling point. So if we step it back to the daily, we can see this much clearer, how ultimately we're still in this downtrend. So if we just draw something like this, until we break this trend, then we will be considerably looking backwards. So we're looking something like this. So if we break this, then we'll be looking to come back up. But because we're still not broken above this level, we're still technically in a downtrend. So we've established that the market is in a bearish market, so we're in a downtrend. So if we know that that is the case with the bias, then what we have to do now is find entry points for another shorting opportunity, so another option or another position for us to sell. So in our zone here, we've covered this area here. So for entry positions that I will be looking for the pound US dollar is for the initial break to come through here, and then a retest of some sort, and then a confirmation candle to signal, to signal that we are heading down. So it's going to be clear that we're rejecting this zone, and then we'll be heading to our monthly, which is 1.220. But if we get towards this level, then it will be good. But I believe it will be stagnant because it is a long way down. Oh, sorry, so short. So I'll be looking for entries upon this level towards here. So that would be scenario 1. And then for whatever reason at all, if that doesn't happen, and we get an invalid break, so that we close above this zone and get a retest, I'll be looking for longs up to this point here. An entry position could look something like that. So that is literally what I will be looking for the pound US dollar. And obviously what I'll be doing is moving my take profits as we go up, and as well for take profits for down. So just to quickly add towards this video, if you would like to get involved with the trades, we post them on Twitter, but in the form of like this. So we'll post the initial video, and then we start posting the updates afterwards, so you really do get to see how and when we are entering, with the analysis, which is obviously at a basic level, so nothing too complicated, and that is literally the reasoning why we got into the trades. So if that's something that you're that interests you, perhaps just go ahead and follow at KMTRADERS _ on Twitter, and you can stay up to date with everything. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.